Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you guys how to go back to a previous version of OBS or OBS Studio, just in case you've updated and it broke a few things and you want to roll back, or you just don't like the way the new update looks. So in this case, I want to go back to version 27, but you may have a different version. Well, you go to the website. I'll put a link in the description to the website, the OBS project website. Once you get to the website, you'll see this page. You click on download, okay? And then once you get to download, click on previous release. It will open it up in a new tab for you, so don't worry. And then previous release is here. You can actually just search here for a previous release, but I like to scroll down personally. Here, version 27. So what we will do is go down to the bottom of the post for the version 27, click on assets, okay? And then once you've clicked on assets, you can then click on, well, whichever version of whatever you have. Me personally, I'm on the Mac, so I'll click on this version to download it. But if you were on Windows, you'd click on one of these unless you want the zip, and so on and so forth. And yeah, that's how you download the older version. You just install it like you normally would. And yeah, hopefully that helps you guys. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.